Because we're in Asia, we wake up when we feel like it. Because we've got nothing better to do. Sleep is the best. And I'm trying to make up for all the nights I lost when I was like 18. So this is a vibe. We're taking it easy. We're not trying to rush ourselves. We don't need to rush ourselves. We've got nothing on for the foreseeable future. So that's that. Nothing like an aggressive blind pull to get me up and awake. I sleep pretty wildly, I guess. And I do make my bed every day. I mean, ask me 3 years ago and I would have said no chance because I'm just about to get back in it and mess it up. Now I like to do it because even if I've had the worst day of my life, at least when I come home, like, this isn't a wreck. So because I don't really achieve a lot in isolation, if I do this at least at the start of the day, at least I've achieved something. So, I mean, there's always that. I'm not that good at making beds, but it's a bed. I think I'd love to be one of those girls who looks cute while they're going for runs, but it's not me, is it? So I just ran up these kind of windy bits. Super unfit, slightly embarrassed at how unfit I am, but I'm just gonna run down and then run back up on the other side. Holy shit. Basically, I just do these really short bursts. I go hard for a small amount of time and then kind of do a cruisy period. I think it's called metabolic training. Don't exactly know, so don't quote me on it. But the way I live my life, work smarter, not harder. I'm also lazy, so the two mesh really well together. Now, as I concentrate on not dying, I like to get myself apple cider vinegar. Some of your finest, sir. That's that. Add a bit of water. Feel good drinking it, sir. Tastes like... Apparently, it's good for metabolism, so while I'm fat, I'm gonna drink it. Look at this. Look at the state of these nanas. Like, they're not even ripe. What am I gonna do? I'm having massive words with Mum when she gets home tonight. She's in big trouble. This is breakfast, and I'm about to be disappointed. So much just happened. I'm being sabotaged today with breakfast. What the hell? Oh my god. I wonder if grapes have pips. This is a very eventful day for me. My day's falling apart. Is there such thing as pipless grapes? Or they all got pips and I've just been really lucky? They're out of control. Not happy with them. Not happy with that. No, I'm not. After dealing with the absolute debacle that breakfast was, I decided to try and change the projection of the day. We've made some bread. Who doesn't love bread? Alright, we're just gonna spoon that out with fatty, and I love bread. We're making baguettes. Oh no, it's stuck to the bench. Back over in a warm spot. Easily the best part of the day, and this is how you stay protected and bulletproof. Now that is good doing. Some people like to sing in the shower, other people like to dance. I'm more of a catch up on Dr. Phil kind of guy. I got a red toothbrush because it goes quicker, which is good. I've got absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Nothing like 3 or 4 hours wasted in isolation. I've got the time, I may as well waste it. I'm useless. Said they should definitely all be pretty much even and like none of this stuff, so that's good. Not on track at all. 8 minutes in and I'm slightly worried. Now, if I'm honest, I've well and truly surprised myself. So impressed at what I've achieved today because frankly, I didn't think I'd be able to. This bread is amazing. Who would have thought that I could actually do something right? I'd like to thank my mum, my dad, siblings for their encouragement. I could have done it without everyone's help. I was preparing to be underwhelmed, under-promised, over-delivered. I've managed expectations. I'm glad I did because this is by far one of the coolest things that I've achieved in my life, and that says a lot about me. Absolutely amazing. Speechless, which is rare for me. Might have a new career, ladies and gentlemen. It also amazes me how I can be so great at some things and then just fail at others. Pretty much spent the most of my day making bread, not the most efficient use of my time. I thought I'd use the last half an hour of daylight to do none other than what I'm best at, crashing and burning. So join me while I let my head break my fall. That was actually good. I got balance. How's Mother Nature showing off for my video, huh? And when the days end like this, I mean, it's hard to have a shit one, right? So, you know what? Enjoy those days off because we don't know how long we'll have them for. Stop, take a second, and appreciate what this world has to offer because it's more beautiful than what we think.